Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and today I'm going to fly the Flex Innovations Yak 55. I picked this up at A-Main Hobbies, and I'll share the link in the description box as long as they're still selling them. Let's try to have some fun with this airplane. I know I've struggled in the past. I'm hoping for a really good flight. Let's get this thing in the air. All right, I don't know if I need high rates, but it's in high rates. And let's just try to have some fun with it. I bought this thing hoping that it would be as much fun as the Mamba, and it's not quite been the same, but it's still pretty fun. It's got a lot of throw on the high rates, and so I think that's probably what I've been struggling with, is trying to get used to the throws on the high rates. But you can see it's got a lot. If you go full, it can really start spinning. I noticed, I think it was the way I had it in the car, the elevator actually got a little deformed. So there's a good chance that it might do something that doesn't feel quite right, and it could be my fault. And those clouds do look dark over there to the northeast. Now, I think this airplane is 6S. I'm flying it on like a 6S 1300. It's a nice compact little battery that goes up nice and far up in the nose. But it looks like it's doing pretty good. I was hoping that I could get it to do some torque rolls and that kind of thing. I probably should be spending some more time on real flight, practicing that kind of stuff. But it's definitely doing pretty good. A lot of throw. So I don't know how much inverted flight I've done with this airplane. We'll try it out. A little too much up elevator there. A little more speed, Gary. Trying to stall it out. There we go, a little more speed. Make it do what I think it's supposed to be doing. That wasn't too bad of a looking pass. Let's push it up and we'll pull it under. And roll it into that knife edge. And then rolling out inverted and push up over the top. That was pretty fun. Try a loop. Very easy in high rates. I did correct so that it wouldn't follow through towards the lamppost. So it wasn't the airplane. Sometimes it'll make that turn at the end, and it's kind of doing a stall thing on me because I tried to pull out too fast. I'm getting way over there. And I think that roll you just saw might have been the elevator problem that I was talking about earlier, where it was rolling as it was coming over. I killed the throttle, and there I did it with the ailerons, making it really nice and precise. This Aura has a slightly different feel to it. If you guys haven't used it before, it does feel a little bit different than the Spectrum stuff. I do have a Spectrum receiver in there, but it's not got safe or AS3X in it. It's just a straight up receiver and bound to their Aura system. So my timer has gone off and I need to make a nice approach kind of like that as I touch down. And I'm maybe a little bit too high performance there to make my approach, so let's circle back around and let it slow down a little bit. There we go. Staying in the throttle just a touch so I can keep control. Oh, well, that was a little bit sad. I thought I heard somebody pulling in there at the last second. Let's take it back up. We'll circle back around and see if we can get a little nicer. Take it down here. Bring it back at this angle again, right at me. And get that tail down. There we go. Nice 3-point landing. This airplane, I had a little bit of fun today. So in the past I've struggled a little bit, and today's flight was much better, much happier. I think it had to do with maybe trying to fly it too fast. I think I enjoy flying this one just a little bit slower. So another great flight. Got the Yak 55 out here today and flew it. I'm just having a really good time here lately flying the RC planes, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the flights. And I do appreciate all your guys' support with the comments and the likes. And if you're new and you subscribed, I really appreciate that. You guys are awesome. And big thanks to Lord for turning this day out a little bit nicer than it started out, so I could get out here and fly. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.